Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Principal Solutions LLC. They're looking for a financial services consultant. It pays up to $150,000 per year. We are urgently seeking new talent to join our company immediately. Our firm has been leading the financial services industry for over 30 years. Due to current events, our firm has been able to easily transition into online services, which allows for the perfect opportunity to work from home. We are rapidly growing and actively seeking from anywhere in the US. Due to our in-depth training program, no experience is necessary. We are looking for individuals who are hardworking, have good communication skills, great customer service skills, loves to help people, dedicated, and willing to begin a training program as an entry-level financial professional and develop into management positions. We take an educational approach to teaching people about basic financial concepts. This way they may feel more comfortable making better decisions about their finances. We represent a full-service financial firm that deals with investments, wealth management, tax-free retirement options, college planning, long-term care, estate planning, business planning, credit restoration, and much more. Our company offers full, in-depth training program, flexible schedule, part-time and full-time positions available, exciting work environment, unlimited growth potential, work from home, qualifications, outstanding communication skills, both verbal and written, able to work effectively in a team environment, detail-oriented, and the ability to follow up on tasks, work effectively under pressure, and maintain a positive attitude, capable of multitasking, prioritizing, and managing time efficiently. If you have these qualifications, then you have a solid foundation to start in our company. Job types: full-time, part-time, contract. Pay up to $150,000 per year. Benefits: flexible schedule, supplemental pay types, bonus pay, commission pay, COVID-19 considerations. All meetings and client interactions are by Zoom. Education: high school or equivalent preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.